welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the number 114 of the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time I'm really excited about it. It comes with this really cool furniture. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. Well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 114. If you would like to see the previous 113, all you have to do is check out the playlist, which is located in the end cards in the end of this video. And well, let's open this up. And here it talks about a nursery that's very full, as you can see there. Many cribs with little doll babies in it. Let me think, you have 1, 2, 3, and possibly a fourth in this dollhouse. And well, let's open this up. Here it lists all of the different pieces and parts which are in the picture up above. And here it talks about little pianos like this. My grandma actually has one that looks very similar to this one, which is pretty cool. And here guys, it shows you how to put the finishing touches on our windows for the front of the dollhouse. Let me just get this in a bit better focus there. And here it shows you all of the materials that you'll need. And it walks you through how to do it step by step. And guys, as I always say with this collection, once we have the collection completed, I will be walking you through how to do each of the steps I should say of this dollhouse, and we will be building the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And here it talks about zeppelins or like the balloons that you can ride in. That's one of the cool things about this collection, is it not only shows you how to build the dollhouse, but it also gives you like historical context as well, which is pretty awesome. And well guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our brand new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so now it's time to open up the new addition to our dollhouse. I'm just going to open this up here. When I got this the other day, I was super excited about it. I love when we get a cool addition for the dollhouse like this. It looks really, really impressive. Can't wait to have an up-close look at it. Here we go. And well, there you have it. It looks really, really nice. I love the like detail in the back. The cupboard's open. Let's see. The drawers do as well. Let me see if this top one opens. Oh, it opens too. And just for good measure, here it opens too, and then you have this one open here. It looks really nice. It's a nice little cabinet for some nice plates and pans for the dollhouse, which will be pretty cool. Let me show you the bottom, which is always like a great thing for me to see, because what's amazing for me with this collection is that even the bottoms of the furniture are finished. I don't know. I would have thought that maybe they wouldn't have done the bottom, but they did, and it's great. I love the color of the wood as well. You guys tell me, what do you guys think about this number? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. And guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, everything linked down in the description below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does game how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.